Hi everyone, I'm here today with the first driving tutorial. If you are looking for a beginner video tutorial, you are at the right place. The perfect driving lesson for beginner. And if you don't know anything about car or driving at all, today I will show you and teach you a step-by-step guide how to drive an automatic car. Follow me and watch this video till the end. In case if you don't know how to drive as your first time in driving, this is inside the car. This is the back seat. This is the steering. You can see this is the car key. Your first time in driving, press this button, the key will come out. This is the seat belt. Always use your seat belt. This is the accelerator. This is the brake. Accelerator. This is the brake. If you want to stop, you mash this gradual. Accelerator. The more you press this, the more your car will be speeding. This is the gear lever. Now I'm going to start the engine so that I will show you the remaining things in the car. So before you start your engine, you adjust your seats, put on your seat belt. We want to start the car. Make sure that your leg will be on the brake, and once your leg is on the brake, confirm that the gear lever is on park. Slot on your key here, then you turn it one, turn on again. You discover that the ignition light is on but the car never starts. Then you turn it again, it will turn back. This is the temperature. This is accelerator control. Once you press accelerator, you discover that it will rise in accelerator control. Then this is where park. When you put it to reverse, you see R. You put it to neutral, see N. You put it to drive, you see D. This is the fuel kilometer reading, and this is the kilometer reading. This is the fuel gauging, and this is the speedometer. This is the radio. This is the AC. I'm not going to talk about this radio and AC today, but I'm going to show you. Put on the AC. This is the AC control. This is the AC control, and this is your radio. Then this is the inner mirror and the side mirror. This is the gear lever. This park. P means park. R means reverse. N means neutral. D means drive. Once you want to move forward, you put it to D. You discover that your car begin to move front. You put it to R, which is reverse. Your car begin to move backward. And this your save. This is where you put the document of the car, the particular. And this is the emergency brake or hand brake. Always bring it up. Bring it up. Once you park, always bring it up. Once you want to move, you bring it down. We are going to put it in practice. Make sure that you are going to move forward now. Make sure that let your leg be on the brake. As your leg be on the brake, you shift the gear lever to drive. 1, 2, 3, drive. Then release your emergency brake down. Then once you release your leg from the brake a little, your car begin to move gradual. You can see the car is moving. Then if you want to match your brake, press it gradual, it will stop. Press your brake little by little. Don't slam your leg on the brake. Press it little by little. It will go down and stop. You go again. When you release your leg from the brake, it will begin to go little by little. Then press your brake little by little, it will stop. Don't slam your leg on the brake. Just press your brake little by little as you go. Little by little, little by little, it will stop. It will stop. Little by little, it will stop. Little by little, it will stop. Always put it to practice. Practice make perfect. Always practicing it. And as you continue to practicing it every day, I bet you are going to be strong on steering. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.